Good morning, everyone. We're going to Flensburg for the park. I gonna show my boss house. Ayan, ayan. Aking boss na mabait, super bait. Giyok is very nice guy. Honey, very supportive to his fry hair. Very supportive to the co-worker. And even has to be the cook be. You're so quiet.
You know, I always have headache. Sometimes just a little more. Okay, always since 4 years.
Just inhale, exhale. Hello.
Sorry.
That is my dream auto.
Yeah, only if I can go from here to the Philippines. I have a problem with the last 1,000 kilometers.
I don't want it auto in Philippines.
Why?
You
Could
can
be funny.
You can drive.
Yeah, it will be a long time.
After you need to
many thousand and many visa.
when you need to make an ship or
Yeah, they last 1,000 kilometers at least. Before also.
It's so warm here, honey. We look like an
Warm is good.
My asawa still not clean the auto.
Who makes the auto dirty?
The asawa.
The Asawa from the Asawa.
Honey, we never go there, that area. The house, what is that?
I will go here in the restaurant and then you can walk around, okay?
Not in a restaurant, we're version da. Oh, with flower da. What is that? What is
That is an
anniversary?
memorial stone for war heroes.
Hero from
1864, you remember from Flensburg?
that's the same.
That is also part of that war.
The burial da? They put the
That's not a burial, but that was
war.
there was a battle.
Battle da.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Big battle. Ayan yung stop bus nila rito, guys. Yan. Maganda. Hindi pwede yung kung saan mag-stop. Kailangan may ano talaga. Kung saan pwede sumakay yung mga tao. This is also good idea, ano? I hope in Philippines also have
What?
same. The stop bus and then the people is only one place for waiting the bus.
Advantages and disadvantages.
Yeah, that is good.
Good thing is you know where the bus will be and what their time will be. The bad thing is if you live here and you're elderly people, then you have to walk a long way.
Yeah, our it's not so far away. I think half kilometer.
Yeah, if you got on foot, yeah.
It's okay. Than to they need to hurry pass to go the stop bus.
Yeah, you tell the elderly and disabled people they have to walk.
Yeah,
applause.
I think they need to rent a taxi or somebody.
So they have to pay more. Okay.
Somebody to why did not put a stop bus da?
Then you need a bus stop for every house.
Not every house, only for the elderly. And then every house, and then
Now you get funny.
when every house, and then this is more like a Philippines. And
See?
then
That's why the Philippines have a
traffic.
good thing
No, that is not.
for me, not for you.
Nein is well, das auch nicht. You need to stop anywhere. No, I don't. That is not good idea. I love Philippines.
Para.
Huh? Para.
Oh. And now you have to walk the whole way back.
The people in Philippines need to learn how to stop, on how to, not only the driver, also the all the passenger. Samahan nyo kami guys because my asawa want the coffee. Coffee addicted na siya guys. Before he don't like coffee.
So my asawa don't want coffee. Okay, good. For me to know. Then I only need to buy for myself.
Okay. Are you selfish, honey?
No, you said coffee for asawa, not for you. So we can save money.
Okay. Is that a joke or?
Was that a joke from you?
I think it's a joke. That is the 40 part. Ah, nakita ba? No. Diyan na. Our son working. David work. Ganun. Stop. Diyan kami pupunta. My favorite store, Obi, because the plants.
So it's not your favorite store now.
Why?
No plants.
Honey, we need to look for the chili, remember? Don't forget. Maybe they have now already.